Hi, I'm Ashley with MORryde, and we want to thank you for trusting us to improve the quality of your RVing experience with the installation of MORryde components. I'm going to walk you through what to expect with your service experience at MORryde. It's our goal to make your time with us one you want to share with your RV friends and neighbors. We'd like for you to arrive the day before your appointment. This will allow us to check you in and measure your unit for the work to be done. Upon your arrival, you will want to check in at the front desk, where you will be greeted with a smile. You will then meet with a tech or our service manager to get an idea of what procedures will take place when we service your unit. We do have spaces with 50 amp electrical hookups for your use, but we do not have water connections. If you do need to fill your tanks, we can help you with that. The highlighted graphic on this map will direct you where to park once you are ready to plug in. You are welcome to stay inside your unit for the duration of your stay at MORryde. During the day, while we're working on your RV, you are welcome to take advantage of our lobby. Satisfy your thirst with complimentary soft drinks, free Wi-Fi for browsing the web, television, and comfortable chairs for you to enjoy at your leisure. We also will supply you with a lunch every day for your duration of your stay at MORryde. Want to get out and explore? Elkhart also offers plenty of choices to explore for dining, recreation, and even tours of local factories. Feel free to ask for recommendations on where to discover Elkhart. Once all of the work on your unit is finished, a tech or our service manager will check you out and make sure all of your products are fit to satisfaction. Don't forget to grab your MORryde t-shirt. Thank you for letting us go above, beyond, always to upgrade your camping experience.